Okay, so let's do the last stage, which is to fix this noisy volume control and generally inspect the electronic side, circuitry in behind here. So I haven't put the screws in yet. Let me drop one screw in here. Looks like this whole panel comes out, these two screws. It's another short one. Let's see, this is a long one. It probably shouldn't be. No. 3 short and 2 long. So it should be 2 long and 3 short in there. That's probably how it should be. Okay, let's just oop. And these are the battery wires here going to the battery box. Awkward to get this one in position to do something with it. There we are. Oh, everything looks just fine in there. Everything looks fine there. So I have no reason to really think there's anything wrong with this amplifier. I have every reason to think the cartridge is weak on it. So the real problem is cleaning the controls. Let's put a little more. Very good. So this should be. Let's well, let's first, we'll just do it. I was going to turn it on, but we'll leave it off. This is a contact cleaner I'm using here. Yeah. Gosh. Never ceases to amaze me. Look at this. Wait a second, I'm sorry. Still looking at the TV here. Okay, stop the mumbling. Ta-da. Mumble, mumble. Okay. Look at those wires. Do they look soldered? Those ones kinda do. That one does. This is kind of poorly done. But when I look at those, that one, they've never been soldered. Look at the others. Hey, there's another one. It's diodes. This is hard to believe, isn't it? Really, what I'm showing here is really hard to believe. Let's look again. Okay, it's hard to see because my camera's focusing on the wrong thing. Let me see if I get a better angle on it here. There we go. Well, you can see the one wire. You see the main bundle, and then just off to the left is a wire that's not soldered. And that's one. That's a diode. That one right there. Right there. See? Okay, let's not worry about the camera. Now what's this other diode? Well, it must be. And it's just how they're getting their full wave rectification. I think those must be original. Boy, isn't that something, eh? How could it have made it all the way to me? I keep looking at it because I can't believe it. There must be another story. Now, do those look like replacements? See, maybe a whole bunch of stuff was replaced here. See, those capacitors are a little bit suspicious. Wait a minute, are they soldered? Sorry about the focusing, but I think they are not soldered. I mean, I could just try to wiggle them here. A little bit of trouble moving them. Here, let me just change this around here. I gotta let go of the camera. Hands going on this. I can see a little bit of solder there, I think. Ooh, ooh, ooh. But not these. Huh. Yeah, another thing that's a little bit suspicious is how this connection here is made. Up on the wire like that. It's guys like me that make those kinds of connections. People who are building these in a factory setting wouldn't do that. Okay, let's solder them. Let's solder those. Ooh, hot soldering iron. I can't see very well the way I'm doing this here. Let's see if I can improve on the situation. It's a big improvement all around. I'm having trouble seeing it still. Where's all the solder going? What is going on there? What's happening? Doesn't seem to be taking the solder. Okay, let's try again. It's running right off. What do you say? Phew. Must be that, you know, all the years of sitting there. It looks like I got the upper wire. I don't think I got the lower wire though. Seems I did. It's got a pretty good grip on it there. Okay. So everything is soldered up now. I doubt it's going to have much effect on anything though. Let's see if I got rid of the noisy volume control. Sorry about that. Okay. We'll apply power again. Switch on. camera work was wild there, it's because I was kind of watching what I was doing with my other hand. So I apologize for that. There's some more crummy camera work. Okay. I have to fire the cameraman. Now, I really want to spray some more cleaner in there. That's what I think is needed. Well, that certainly seems to be about as good as it's going to get, right there. I'll have to give another record a try and see if there's more volume by some chance, but I kind of doubt it. No, it doesn't go, you know that? We have 2 long and 3 short. The logical thing I thought up apparently does not apply. Okay. Oh, here's another little book. French guarantee. Guarantee. We guarantee each new Fonovox high-fidelity phonograph, tape recorder, and radio receiver sold with free from defects. For how long? Yeah, it was a lot of words. I don't see it. There it is. Within 90 days. Repair or replace at our option. Effective within 90 days after delivery. Wow, well this is a little out of date, isn't it? Yeah. No question, eh? Did you previously own an older model? Yes, no. If so, what make? How old was it? Did you trade it? Did you sell it, keep it, or scrap it? Why did you decide to buy this instrument? Previous ownership of Fonovox products. Reputation of manufacturer. Price or trade-in allowance. Product features, styling, radio or TV advertising. Anyway, we always get it. Okay, so we're going to have to perform one last step here with this record player, and that's to increase the traction from the idle wheel, this guy here, because it's still not got enough power being transmitted through the platter to drive the mechanism properly. So we'll increase the get a bigger screwdriver. try it. I'm assuming the traction, I'm not assuming, it appears the traction is slipping past the idle wheel here. That's not working. Hey, come on. These are not normally so resistant. Jeepers. Was holding that on so hard. Okay, so I'll pull it off. Take a look at it. It's not really polished like many. It's got pretty good traction actually, but let's see if we can't improve it a bit here. Okay. So I just need a nut and screw. If you've watched my other videos, you've seen me do this quite a number of times now. Okay, that's all it takes. We're just trying to remove a, we call it a shell of hard rubber, just the very surface of the rubber wheel. Okay. Put that back on. Oh, hey, come back over here. Okay, we just put that back on. We'll put this clip back on. Excuse me. Jeepers. Got a cough that just won't go entirely away. Okay, so let's give it a go. Okay. Well, that's not 33. Okay, something's gone a little wrong here. That looks a little better. Okay, let's try it again. That looks more like 33 now. Okay, so the question is, will the mechanics drive the mechanism? Here we go. Will the mechanics drive the mechanism? Here we go. Looks pretty good. No problem whatsoever. How do you like that, eh? Perfect. So I wish I could play a record on here and kind of show you the whole thing really finished properly. But I can't because of two things. One, I haven't got the new rubber cover here that I have to prepare yet, and I have to replace the cartridge on here to get any volume out of it. But otherwise, that's a finished unit. Hope you enjoyed that, and see you soon. I think I'll be back on that. Sony radio next. Thanks anyway for watching.